Hello and welcome to another brand new video of the Product Management at the Startup series. So in this video, I'll talk about, does startup experience as a product manager look good on your resume if your ultimate goal is to get a product management job in a very big company? So without further ado, let's start. So according to me, it's a very good option for people who have experience in different roles, let's say testing, or it could be even business facing roles like sales, marketing, customer support, or even customer onboarding teams, etc. Like, I'm just taking few names. If you guys want to get into product management, I think it's a very good option to try for product management roles with startup companies, gain some hands-on experience, and later in your career I believe you can easily get a product manager role with a bigger software company. Also, for individuals considering who has more entrepreneurial interest, such as starting your own company at some point, or working in a collaborative atmosphere, startup experience as a PM look very good on your resume. For people who seek complete control over their professions or time, entrepreneurship is generally the best option. It's worthwhile noting that startups can require you to work long hours, and on the job security and stability side, it is not as secure or as stable as it would be if you're working in bigger companies. So just keep that in mind. And if you're exploring product management opportunities in startup, I would encourage you to check other videos that I have done as part of this PM product management at the startup series. You would find useful information there. And if you are looking for one-on-one guidance, I'm going to put my calendar link in the description box below. You can book a one-on-one coaching session with me for further guidance. So yeah, with that, I'm gonna end this video and stay tuned for more videos on this series. Until then, take care and bye-bye.